There are two ways to uninstall the Carrots and Cake app. One way is through the app, and the other way is through your device settings. To uninstall Carrots and Cake from the app itself, go to Parent Zone and insert your details. Go to Restriction. You will see that the Block Uninstallation toggle is on. What you want to do is to toggle it off, and that's it. Tap on Back to Kids dashboard and exit the app. Now you can uninstall the app. To uninstall Carrots and Cake from your device settings, first go to Settings. Tap on Screen Time. Scroll down and you will see Screen Time is enabled on Carrots and Cake. Toggle it off. Now you can uninstall Carrots and Cake. That's it for this video.